Your VW uses radar and/or camera technology to help monitor the distance from the vehicle ahead. Front Assist can provide collision warnings and even apply emergency braking if needed to help avoid potential accidents. Front Assist works by detecting vehicles ahead that are stationary or moving in the same direction, and it only works at certain speeds, which varies by model. See your owner's manual for details. It's important to know that all models can detect pedestrians. However, not all models can detect cyclists. This system also isn't meant to detect collisions associated with oncoming traffic or if another vehicle cuts in front of you. Be sure to stay attentive and have control of the vehicle at all times. There are some limitations and situations where these features may not work. If the sensors or sensor mounts become misaligned or are damaged, or if they're blocked by things like ice, snow buildup, dirt, mud, or leaves, the system may not work or unwanted braking could occur. Even heavy cargo and/or heavy trailers could change the sensor angles by elevating the front of the vehicle and cause system disablement.